So I draw this right here and draw this right there. Bingo, more money, more money. What's up guys, Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to make money just by drawing boxes? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money drawing boxes and photos. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money simply by drawing boxes and photos with this one app. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that will help entrepreneurs make money on the internet, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please subscribe today. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped on my channel. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I might be giving away some free money. So, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you which app you can start using right now to make money simply by drawing boxes and photos. So here we go. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at the website of the app. The name of the app is Spare 5. So it says on here, earn money in your spare time with our free web and mobile apps. So let's scroll down here. It says give it a try. Get started doing small tasks in your free time on your PC or Mac with web tasks. Sign up with the following services. So you can sign up through Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, or your email. Now, this is how it works. Pretty simple. You sign up, we give you tasks, you do tasks, you get paid. You'll need a PayPal account to collect your cash, and we send out payments each week by Friday. So this is available worldwide because people around the world use PayPal, so you can get paid through PayPal from anywhere around the world after you do these tasks on this app. All right, let's scroll down here and see what the tasks are. All right, we have a wide variety of tasks, but most of them focus on deriving the meaning of or providing human insight into audio, video, or images files. So as you can see here, it has to do with access languages. So tell us about the tone, the meaning, and contents of attitude of a conversation. And here's the one about the photos. And it says drawing, bounding boxes around various elements in an image and describe what's in a photo. So as you can see, you're going to be drawing like a square box in different photos so they can determine what's in the photo. And here's another task that you'll probably be doing is isolate elements, find the edges of an object to help computers see what you see. And here's the last one, provide keywords, so you help companies develop algorithms to learn what a photo is about. So this is a very interesting app doing something very new here that you'll probably be interested in, and it's very simple and you can make some money. So now you can go ahead and click here
and listen to a testimony and see what she's talking about, how she is making her money through this app. And here are the companies that work with the app: Expedia, Microsoft, GoPro, IBM, Pinterest, GumGum, whatever the company that is. I never heard of that company. But a lot of big time companies work with this app, so you'll be working with big time companies drawing boxes and photos and doing other tasks. So, if you're interested in this app, oh, one last thing. It's only available on the Apple App Store, but you can, sign in on your computer and do these tasks. And far as the pay, from my research, it's very low pay, but the pay is in between 1 cent and 20 cents. I know that's very low. That's 1 cent and 20 cents for each task. But since it's so simple, you can do a lot of probably maybe 100 tasks if you want to, if you have that much time, and you can really, get a little spare change each day, which will add up. So go ahead and check this app out, see if you're interested in it, and go to the website. It's app.spare5.com.
So now you know what app you can download right now that'll pay you simply for drawing boxes and photos. Also, they have other tasks that you can take to make money. So go ahead and download Spare 5 and get started making this money. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end. For doing so, I'm gonna go ahead and reward you with free gifts. Now, I'm also going to talk about how you can get free money. But about the free gifts I want to give away, let me tell you how you can get them. First, you need to subscribe to this channel. Once you subscribe to this channel, go to my website, which is called App Grind Substation. Once you go to my website, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see 3 ebooks. You can download those ebooks. They are for free. Now, these ebooks are about Facebook ads, so you learn things about how to work Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, and how to make money on YouTube. So go ahead and download those ebooks today. That's free from me to you. Now, let me tell you how you can get this free money. What I'm trying to do here is get 1,000 subscribers. Now, my next milestone is 300 subscribers because I'm currently at 214. Once I get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with $20 cold hard cash or a $20 Amazon gift card. And how I'm going to do this is you're going to leave a comment in this video, in any videos that I have after this one. Leave a comment, and what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment and let you guys know that this person is the winner once I hit 300 subscribers. And you got to make sure you subscribe also. And what I'm going to do is have the winner to email me their PayPal address, or what I'll do is just email them the Amazon gift card if that's what they want. So please help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and please help me get to my next milestone, which is 300 subscribers. Now, That's all I have for today. Please subscribe to this channel. Give me a like if you like what I'm talking about today. Leave a comment below. Share this with your friends and family. Share this on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Because I drop videos like this on a daily basis. Alright, I'm done for this video, but you don't have to leave yet. Just stay and watch this next video, which talks about how to make money as a teenager. So go ahead and check out that video, and that's all I have. Make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. What's up, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, are you a teenager just getting out of school for the summer